The location of this facility is at 152nd Street and Meredith Drive. Now, a lot of people think, wow, that's way out west, but many people don't realize the geographic center of Urbandale is 121st Street. And as we look at city services that we provide our entire community, the majority of our city service facilities are east of the interstate and east of 121st Street. The two fire stations are the only city service facilities west of 121st Street. But I do get the question of what are we doing to provide recreation opportunities on the east side of Urbandale? And I'm super excited to be able to share, and we just completed a master plan for an indoor-outdoor mini recplex. So by the library, city hall, police station, just south of the library parking lot. And what's neat about that site, it's again within the city complex as well, right along 86th Street. So you've got public transportation, and actually just got approved by City Council. The first phase of that is under construction, where the Parks and Recreation Administrative Office will be moving from City Hall to that location. Other future amenities that are proposed at that site is a splash pad, outdoor play area, picnic areas, shade structures, and potentially even a mini golf area. The indoor components of that, one would be a multi-purpose space, and the other indoor, either an indoor court area or indoor playground. So there's a lot of neat recreation experiences that are planned on the east side of the community as well. It's right along 86th Street, so you've got public transportation, and it's right within a residential area as well.